In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly import multiple journal entries into Xero in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and streamline this process together. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Xero accounting software account. If you haven't already, simply open your browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, click on the login button to proceed. You'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your Xero account, so have that information handy. After you've entered your credentials, click the login button once more to access your Xero dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to navigate over to the connected apps icon. By clicking on this icon, you'll reveal a list of applications that can integrate with Xero. Among these, you'll find Ant Transactions. Click on it. Ant is a powerful tool that assists with importing data smoothly into Xero, which will be invaluable for today's task. After clicking on Ant Transactions, you'll want to download the Ant template. This template is specifically designed for importing data, providing the correct format and structure necessary for a seamless upload. Once downloaded, open the template and copy all your journal entry data onto it. Be sure to follow the format exactly to avoid any errors during the import. Now head back to the Ant interface and locate the Browse File option. Click on this button to open a dialog window where you can choose the completed template file from your device. After selecting your file, upload it to proceed with the process. Next, focus on selecting manual journals on both the sheet and entity fields. This is crucial as it ensures your data is rightly categorized and imported into the correct section of your Xero account. Ant will now work its magic, automatically mapping your data to its designated fields within Xero. This auto mapping saves a significant amount of time, ensuring each piece of information is correctly aligned with Xero's requirements. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to review all the mapped data. This step is important to ensure accuracy and to rectify any discrepancies. Once you're confident that everything looks good, click on the Import to Xero button, and there you have it. By completing these steps, you will have successfully imported multiple journal entries into Xero quickly and efficiently. This process not only saves time, but also minimizes errors when managing your financial data. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to watch more of our guides for additional tips on mastering Xero and other financial tools. Happy importing!